In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Canva designs, a quick and essential skill that enhances your projects and presentations. Whether you're working on a multi-page report or a complex presentation, hyperlinking between pages can create a seamless experience for your readers or collaborators. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this swiftly and effectively. First, begin by opening your Canva design project. Once you have it open, select the text that you want to hyperlink to another page. This can be any text box within your project, whether it's a title, a subheading, or a sentence. Clicking on the text box will highlight it, making it clear that this is the element you're working with. Next, look at the upper right corner of your Canva interface. You'll see a series of icons, one of which consists of three dots arranged in a line, often referred to as the More icon. Click on these three dots to access additional options related to your highlighted text. This is a crucial step, as it unlocks all sorts of formatting and customization options that Canva offers for enhancing your design. After clicking the three dots, you'll notice several options unfold before you, one of which is a chain link symbol aptly labeled link. Click on this option to open up the linking menu. This feature is incredibly versatile. While you could use it to link to external websites, today we're focusing on linking to different pages within the same Canva project, enhancing navigation and user experience. Once you've clicked on the link option, a new menu will appear, allowing you to choose the destination for your hyperlink. You'll notice an option to select a page within your document. Carefully choose the page you want your text to link to. This can be very handy, especially in larger documents where navigating to a specific section can save time and make your project much more accessible and reader-friendly. Finally, after selecting the desired page for your link, simply click on the Done button. This action secures your selection and your hyperlink is now active. To make sure everything is working perfectly, go back to your text and test out the link by clicking on it. It should take you seamlessly to the page you've linked, and that's it. You now have your pages linked within your Canva design, making your project more interactive and easier to navigate. This simple yet powerful tool can greatly enhance how you and your audience interact with your designs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of Canva's features to spice up your creations even further. Happy designing!